I'm like, where'd you go?
Okay, so I don't really know what to do, but I need footage for the vlog. So I think I'm gonna try something stupid, and I'm gonna try fishing off of the balcony. Alright, Mama, you think this is a good idea?
This is definitely not a good idea.
Alright, here goes nothing. Okay.
Told you.
So that's not what I thought would happen. So what if one of us goes down and we drop the fishing pole down? So I think that needs to happen.
How's that gonna help?
Huh?
How's that gonna help?
Because then, I don't know, it'll make things better. Really, we could just lower that down and we can cut it. And we can keep it. You see? Okay, so I'm gonna have to go down and work this out, but here's the pole, and then you can see the lure kind of like right in there. It's really small, but we're gonna have to work something out to go get that. Alright, let's cut it. Alright, we got it from the tree. Alright, let's go jet skiing. Oh man, this is crazy. Alright, finished jet skiing. That was so much fun. Let's go downstairs. Lisa, why do you go so slow? It can't be that hard, right? Right? That was hard.
Where'd you go?
Good job.
I hope I swim.
Every night I presented, I went across. Told me there wasn't a light, so I built me a plane and I got in and headed off. They can't see me through the clouds, they look around and they like, where'd you go?